Little audio check. Audio check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Anyway, beautiful day. 106 degrees. It's quarter to 12, and no, I'm not going to work on this, but it is here. It came in yesterday or day before. Anyway, it's owned by the same fellow who owned the green TR6 that I just completed. He took that one home and dropped this one off. It's been here before. I don't remember when, and I don't remember why, but it's been here before. And right now, I don't even know what the problem is with it. I'll have to double check some things. Hands have been in it that aren't mine. There's safety wire here of some semblance that I didn't do. Maybe the owner, who knows. That's my handiwork. I always do that to chokes to keep people from using them. I always run these over top this handle, so that's not my running. I'm not sure what the flag's for. And a connector hanging down, that's no big deal. That's to the ignition system. And eeny, meeny, miny, oh, the oil line is disconnected. Well, gee willikers, we won't try to start this right away. So that's, double check what that looks like inside. Under the seat, well, the seat restraint's gone. I'll fix that. I'll make a better hold down. I can do that. This is the vent. I've been here. Look how it broke loose. Well, I'll fix that. This vents the sump pressure out the back end of the bike. So I will resolder that. And good looking bike, isn't it? And they boop a doop a doop a doop a doop a doop. Scoopy doop. Very nice. I got some bits and pieces that came with the bike. So now we know why I have this. This is new. We'll use that. This is new. Nope, this is new. So we'll use these. This is for the sump, all three of these. Checking the sump, diddling the bottom of the motor, and I know it's there. Feeling around, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Come on now. A little oil in the tranny. All right, so here's the sump plug. It's in place. I'll take it out, make sure it's sealed properly, but there is a sump plug in place. And there is, if you look right through here, where my finger is, there is a plug on the transmission primary chain adjuster hole. It's in here, down here. Not that one, this one. Let's see if I can zoom. Yeah, there it is. You can see it now. As soon as I figure out where my finger is. Yeah, right there. So it's in place. Got some oil on it. So I'll probably take that off and reseal it. Batteries installed and good. Got lights. Got two brand new monoblock carbs. I think that was, we put those on the last time it was here. So I have to figure out what the problem is and if there's a problem, and look into it. So over here, we're going to be using this Probably won't use any of this. I may use a new seal on this sump plug. We don't need this because there's one in place. By the way, you've got to be real careful with these. If you don't put this really thick fiber washer on it, zooming in, you have to have that really thick fiber washer. If you don't have that on there, if you have a thin one, there's a shoulder here, and this will break the primary case. If you put this together without this really, really thick fiber washer, and then you try to crank it down and tighten it, you will snap the bottom off the primary case. And the primary case half, that's part of the engine, not the primary cover. So be real careful to A, get the right one of these for the bike you're working on, because there are several different ones, and B, get the very thick washer that goes with it so that you don't break your primary case. I've had them come in here with their primary brace case just broken off, usually stuffed full of epoxy. So be real careful on that. This looks, to me, I swear this looks like a brand new monoblock. It's beautiful. Don't know why we have a brand new in there. This looks like a very well used monoblock. So this obviously came off the bike. This, I don't know where it came from. It does have, it's a T120, so it's got two monoblocks. So, I don't know. And some extra velocity stacks and an extra air cleaner. So anyway, that's where we are. Out of all this stuff, we will put the kicker on. We will put this on. We may put this on. And everything else here is just going to be surplus, go back to the client, as far as I know, at this point in time. So we will, I wonder where the bolt is. Oh, that's a special bolt. That is the world's most scarce bolt. It goes through here. Not only is it a scarce wedge bolt, the nut that fits on that wedge bolt is made out of complete and total unobtainium, and it's the only one in the world that'll fit that wedge bolt. And even when you order the right one, sometimes they don't work. So that's going to be fun, ordering that wedge bolt with nut and hoping that they actually work. All right, so that's where we are. It's very hot, and I'm not going to work anymore today. I've done some other jobs, and so I just moved this guy over. He'll be here, I don't know, another month or so, I guess. I don't know, eventually. And it's all paid for. The client must be traveling, so it's all paid up. Anyway, that's where we are today, and I'm going to just go ahead and close this down because at noon it's too hot, and later it'll be more hotter.